Nature has given us beautiful and amazing spiders. Let us watch it. Number 1, flower crab spider.
Flower crab spider are Misumena species. Over 2000 species found in the world, very small in size, and their size vary up to 10 mm or less. Crab spider named as their unique ability to walk sideways as well as forward and backwards. They are harmless to human. They can change their body color as white, green, yellow to better match the flower. However, color change takes several days. They are ambush predators as they suddenly attack on prey. It uses its two front legs to grasp it, inject their venom so that paralyze even large insects. They prey on insects such as fly, butterfly, and bees.
Wow, flower crab spiders are beautiful and amazing. They can change color to match flowers. They walk like crab. They are ambush predators. Do you want to watch more beautiful and amazing spiders? Type yes in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe.